Today I'll show you how to use the 3M spray gun correctly. I use it first to apply a primer undercoat. I use an HVLP 1.4 nozzle. This spray gun was developed to optimize paint booth time and reduce consumption. While the primer is drying, I change the cup. Now I move on to the base coat. You simply switch from one product to another. To save time, I prepared all the products in advance. I use an HVLP 1.3 nozzle for the base coat. The paint gun is very light and easy to handle. While drying, I apply another color. Again, my goal is to optimize time and product consumption. The only thing you have to do is clean the tip before changing the product. I will now apply the clear coat. I use a 1.4 fine finish nozzle. In this video, I used 5 different products with one spray gun. I optimized the time and product consumption while maintaining high application quality. Now you know how to correctly use the 3M spray gun. The result is very satisfactory. There are very few dust nibs, and the clear coat is beautiful. Now I have to clean the nozzles.